We live in a world where physical cash is becoming optional, but do you really know what happens to your money in a cashless economy? Digital transactions don't just move money. They create a detailed map of your spending, savings, and financial behavior. Banks, tech companies, and governments can track, control, and even influence the flow of money like never before. We'd explore how digital money works behind the screens and why a cashless economy is changing the way we earn, spend, and think about money. Today we'll talk about how digital money and cashless economy really works. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. What is digital money? Digital money is any form of money that exists electronically rather than as physical cash. It can include credit and debit card balances, online bank accounts, mobile wallets, cryptocurrencies, and other electronic forms of payment. Unlike cash, which you hold in your hand, digital money exists as numbers in a system that can be transferred instantly between accounts. Governments, banks, and private companies all participate in creating and managing digital money. It allows for faster transactions, more convenience, and often better tracking of money flow. Understanding digital money is crucial because it's becoming the primary medium for trade and financial transactions worldwide, gradually replacing traditional cash in daily life and transforming how economies operate. 2. How digital money is created. Most people assume only governments or central banks create money, but in a digital economy, the process is more complex. Physical currency is just a tiny fraction of total money. Banks create digital money through lending. When you take a loan, the bank doesn't hand you cash. It deposits money into your account digitally, effectively creating new money. Governments and central banks regulate this system, setting interest rates and controlling money supply. Digital money creation allows for faster circulation and economic activity, as funds can be transferred instantly across accounts, regions, and even countries. This system ensures that digital money is not just convenient, it's a critical component of modern economic growth. 3. The cashless economy concept. A cashless economy is one where financial transactions are conducted electronically, minimizing or eliminating the need for physical money. Payments can be made via mobile apps, bank transfers, cards, or digital wallets. Cashless systems increase convenience, reduce the cost of printing and handling currency, and help governments track economic activity. They also reduce risks associated with theft, counterfeiting, and loss of cash. Some countries, like Sweden, are moving almost entirely toward cashless economies, while others adopt hybrid models. Understanding how a cashless economy works is vital because it reshapes consumer behavior, banking systems, and even policymaking, influencing both personal finances and national economies. 4. How transactions work. Digital transactions rely on networks and protocols that verify, process, and record payments instantly. When you pay via a credit card, mobile wallet, or online bank transfer, the system communicates with banks, payment processors, and sometimes third-party apps to ensure funds are available and legitimate. Transactions are recorded digitally, often in real time, making them faster and more secure than cash exchanges. Security protocols, encryption, and authentication measures protect money from fraud and cyber threats. Understanding transaction flow is important because it highlights how trust and technology replace physical money in a cashless system, allowing billions of transactions daily without the need for coins or bills. 5. The role of banks. Banks play a central role in a cashless economy. They maintain accounts, process transactions, manage digital money creation, and provide loans. Banks ensure that digital money circulates efficiently, offering platforms for payments, transfers, and savings. Central banks oversee the system to maintain stability, regulate lending, and prevent fraud. In a digital economy, banks also innovate with mobile banking, apps, and contactless payments, making financial services accessible to more people. Without banks, the infrastructure needed for a cashless economy would not function, as they act as the link between money creation, storage, and everyday transactions, bridging the gap between consumers, businesses, and governments. 6. Digital wallets and mobile payments. Digital wallets and mobile payment apps are revolutionizing how people spend money. They store digital money securely on smartphones and allow payments at shops, online platforms, and peer-to-peer transfers. Mobile wallets are especially useful in regions where traditional banking is limited. They also provide instant access to funds, reduce transaction times, and offer features like automatic bill payments or rewards. By connecting directly with banks and payment networks, Digital wallets reduce reliance on cash. Understanding these tools is important because they demonstrate the shift in financial behavior, from carrying notes to relying on digital solutions for everyday transactions. 7. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are another form of digital money, created and stored independently of traditional banks. They operate on blockchain technology, which records transactions in decentralized, secure ledgers. Unlike bank-created digital money, cryptocurrencies are not directly controlled by governments or banks, offering new ways to transfer and store value. While still emerging, cryptocurrencies illustrate how digital money can exist outside traditional financial systems. Understanding cryptocurrencies helps explain the broader cashless ecosystem, the role of decentralization, and the potential for new forms of financial freedom and investment in a global digital economy. 8. Advantages of a cashless economy. Cashless economies offer numerous advantages. They reduce the cost of printing and handling physical money, improve security by limiting theft and counterfeiting, and allow governments to track financial activity efficiently. For consumers, it offers convenience, speed, and the ability to manage finances digitally. Businesses also benefit from instant payments, reduced cash handling, and better financial records. Additionally, a cashless system can promote financial inclusion by enabling people without traditional bank accounts to access digital payment solutions. Understanding these benefits explains why governments, banks, and tech companies are promoting cashless adoption globally. 9. Challenges and risks. Despite its advantages, a cashless economy has challenges. Digital money relies on technology, meaning outages, cyberattacks, or technical glitches can disrupt transactions. Privacy concerns also arise, as digital transactions can be tracked by governments and corporations. Not everyone has access to digital devices or banking services, creating potential exclusion for certain populations. Additionally, dependence on digital systems increases vulnerability to fraud, hacking, or identity theft. Understanding these risks is crucial to navigate the digital economy safely, ensuring that benefits are maximized while minimizing potential threats to personal finances and overall economic stability. 10. The future of money. Digital money and cashless systems are transforming the global economy. Physical cash will likely become less common, replaced by faster, more convenient, and secure digital alternatives. Governments are exploring digital currencies, CBDCs, while fintech companies continue to innovate in payments and banking. Understanding how digital money works allows individuals to adapt to these changes, manage finances efficiently, and participate in a rapidly evolving economic landscape. The cashless future will be driven by technology, financial literacy, and global connectivity, emphasizing the need to stay informed about money, transactions, and digital finance. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.